Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. This is the Vikings Garage. So today the video is for the FJ Cruiser owners, technicians out there. I just want to throw this one out there as a bonus because I've come across this one too many times. Basically, I've been trying to show you guys that yes, you got a feature on your FJ Cruiser in which you can open the back window of the rear door. But it seems like every time I get an FJ Cruiser and I go to try to show that on camera, it never works. Anyways, I'm just going to roll the clip. Ooh, that's a nasty dent. All right, so here's something you don't see every day. I know you guys are gonna say, what, an FJ Cruiser, big deal. Nah, man. This one's got a nice little stick there. Oh, and one more thing. Yeah, I show you guys this to put your mind at ease. Yeah, man, these things can go the distance. One more thing, because I was not able to show you guys this feature on any of the other FJ Cruisers because it just doesn't work. Insert the key counterclockwise. Come on, you're gonna work for us today, right? Counterclockwise. I swear, guys, this does work. No, it's always counterclockwise. Hold on. Just bear with me. Unlock. So it's unlocked. Insert the key. And you want to go counterclockwise. Oh my god, I swear. Why I always have such a hard time doing this? Maybe because the key is bent? So this would be the correct actuator to order. And as you'll see here, this is the one that I ended up replacing. And this is not the one for the door glass, but for the door itself. And this would be the incorrect part number for this fix. This is the correct part number for the glass door actuator. I know. You guys are probably saying, what is this guy talking about? You're supposed to go clockwise. Well, the reason why I let the footage stay the way it is because I wanted to show you guys because that even us YouTubers are not perfect. So, yes, afterwards, when I started diagnosing the car a little better, I noticed a huge mistake I was making. You're supposed to hold it clockwise for about a second, and then it will unlock the glass and you can then lift it up. As a side note, guys, don't forget to lock it back up, otherwise your rear wiper won't work. So basically what it comes down to is that usually I've seen this one too many times. I get stuck installing parts that somebody else ordered. It happens. And the wrong actuator is ordered. So I kind of made this video so that kind of, for all of those that watch this video, that doesn't happen again. Or maybe I can help somebody out there order the correct part. But other than that, as I'm sure you can already tell from the footage, this particular one, the actuator was a-okay. The problem was actually the key being bent and worn. So what I've come across personally was bad actuators, bent keys, or worn keys. The worn key part, that's easy to diagnose. You just go to any other cylinder lock other than the ignition, because obviously it's been working in the ignition, and it's usually not going to work on the other cylinders. That's an easy one to diagnose. But yeah, guys, now I hope this helps somebody out there order the correct actuator. As always, thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, I always try to do right by the customer. We were doing a coolant flush on this car, and as you can see here, the radiator cap was busted. So, not necessarily, they're not paying for it, but I'm gonna put a new one in there. Just because that is the right thing to do. I had an extra one, so why not? Always do the right thing, guys. Well, guys, Also stay tuned. I'm going to try to show you how you can avoid this. This always happens on the wheel well section of the frame on your Tacomas, 4Runners, FJs. In a future video I will do a fix on this on my car, so please stay tuned so you can also do the same.